Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 3 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 13 adverbs. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so in that video we have discussed about page number up to 77. So here we will start from. Okay, let's practice. So circle the adverbs in the sentences given below. Ask the questions as suggested above to find the adverbs easily. Yes. So there is also suggestion provided in the question how to find the adverb in a sentence. Just you have to ask the question. Okay. So Kaushik does his work neatly. Okay. How? How does Kaushik do his homework? So neatly. Okay, so as you know, neatly is adverb of manner. It tells us how Kaushik does his work. Okay, the next question here, he always sits at his table to study. Okay, so there are two adverbs. Okay, first where does he sit? At his table. This is adverb of place. He always, always. The next year, last month he decided to participate in the science fair. So there are also two types of adverb. Okay, so here last month indicate the time when. When did he decide? Last month. So you have to circle. Okay, here last month is the adverb of time. He decided to participate in the science fair. Where? In the science fair. This is adverb of place. Okay. The next question here, he knew he would work sincerely for that. Okay, how? Here sincerely, adverb of manner. Okay, the next year, so he planned the project yearly. Yearly, yes, it tells about the timing of an action. Yearly, late, yesterday, tomorrow. Okay, so here you have to circle yearly. This is adverb of time. Okay, the next year he worked on his project every evening. Okay, here every evening. This is time of timing of an action. When he worked on his project. Yes, every evening. This is adverb of time. Okay, the next, he drew the pictures for the project well. How he drew the pictures? Yes, well, adverb of manner. Okay, he completed the project at home. Where did he complete? Just you have to ask the question. When, where, how. When, when is used to know the adverb of time. Where is used to know the adverb of place. And how is used to know the adverb of manner. Here at home means adverb of place. Clear? The next year, he submitted the project before the last date. Right? Before. Okay? You have to circle before the last date. This is the timing of an action. This is it tells about the timing of an action. When did you submit the project? When did he submit the project? He submitted the project before the last date. Before, after, these are adverb of time. Clear? Then next here, write the adverbs you circled in the sentences under their types. Yes. The first neatly. The neatly is already here hidden here neatly. Okay, manner, how. The next here always, and here, yes, always at his table study. Second question, always yes, so you have to write here always. When? Okay, timing. And at his yes, at his table, this is adverb of place, so you have to write here at his table. Okay. Then next question here, last month he decided to participate in the science fair. Last month. Last month, timing. So you have to write here last month. Okay. Then next, in the science fair. In the science fair. Where? Yes, we have to write here in the science fair. Clear? Then next question here, he knew he would work sincerely for that. So sincerely means how. You have to write here adverb of manner. Okay. Then next, so he planned the project yearly. Yearly, yes, time. When? So you have to write here yearly. Then next, he worked on his project every evening. Yes, every evening. Yes, you know this is time. So you have to write here every evening. Every evening. Okay. Then next year he drew the pictures for the project well. Yes, well, you know. Yes, adverb of manner. Okay. Then next year he completed the project at home. At home means where, place. So you have to write here. Okay, at home. He submitted the project. Yes, before the last date. So you have to write here. Okay, before the last date. When? Before the last date. So you can also write before here. Okay, before, after. This also indicates time. Okay, before the last date. Timing of an action. Then next here we have already learnt some adverbs that tell us how and when something is done. For example, neatly, badly, wonderfully, right? Okay. So such adverbs are created by adding ly. As in the in the first video, in the part 1, we had discussed about adverbs are formed using ly with the adjective. Beautiful plus ly. Beautiful adjective, ly, when we add ly with the adjective, we get adverb. Beautifully, wonderful, wonderfully. Okay. So similarly here, bad plus bad adjective, ly, when we add ly, it becomes adverb badly. Similarly, soft adjective, when we add ly, it becomes adverb softly, adverb of manner, badly, adverb of manner. Okay. So add ly to the words given below to make new adverbs. Write the adverbs in the blanks. Okay. Calm adjective, when you add ly, it becomes adverb calmly. Then quick adjective, when you add ly, we get adverb quickly. Finally, adjective, when we add ly, we get adverb finally. Similarly, loud adjective, ly, when we add ly, we get adverb loudly. Clear? Then next year, make adverbs from the words given in this box, then use each correctly in the sentences. Right? So first you have to form adverb. Clear? Clearly. Just you have to add ly. Bold, boldly. Then quick, quickly. Then wrong, wrongly. Then fine, finely. Then swift, swiftly. Just you have to add ly with each of the adjective given in the box. Okay. So the swallows fly north in summer. They can fly, yes, swiftly. So here the last one, swift, just to add ly to make it adverb. The answer is written dash in this notebook. Anyone can read this. Yes. So here first one, clear. We add here ly, clearly. Okay. The time for the train was given, yes, a dash. So we missed the train wrongly. So here fourth one, wrong. We add ly, wrongly. Okay. Say the truth dash. There is no need to be afraid, boldly. Bold means bravely. Okay. Say the truth boldly. Second one. Okay. Just you have to add ly. You can read this book. Yes. Here the third one, quick. Just you have to add ly. Quickly. It's very simple. Okay. Hemant is a good cook. He can chop vegetables. Yes, fifth one, fine. Just you have to add ly, finally. Clear? The remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. Okay. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.